Why I cannot use Chatbot and AI apps in VisualParadigm Desktop. When you try to use the Chatbot or other AI apps in VisualParadigm Desktop, you may see a prompt asking you to log in. This happens because these AI features rely on VisualParadigm Online. To use them, your VP Desktop must be logged in to your VP Online workspace, and the project you open must also be hosted there. To log into your VP Online workspace, open the Team menu and click Select Repository. Under Existing Registered User, click Login. Enter your workspace ID, followed by your email address and password. After logging in, you may be asked to open a project from your workspace. You can also open a workspace project by going to Project, Open, VisualParadigm Online. Once you open a project stored in your workspace, the Chatbot and other AI apps will become available. If your current project is stored locally, you can import it into your workspace, go to Project, Save as VisualParadigm Online. After the import completes, AI features will be enabled for that project. If you haven't created a workspace yet, choose Sign up for VP Online under Select Repository. Enter your email address, password, and your desired workspace ID. Review and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click Sign up to create your workspace. After the workspace is created, you'll be prompted to create a new project there. You can also import your existing projects using the same method mentioned earlier. Once your project is in the workspace, the Chatbot and AI apps will be ready to use. Please note that when you sign up, an activation email will be sent to you. Make sure you click the activation link. This step is required to unlock the full capabilities of your workspace. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.